I just couldn't eat it all. I just couldn't. I don't know why. I just don't feel like eating anything right now. Right, what I am cooking today, a minted lamb burger. Minted lamb burger, and this quinoa stuff. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I know it sounds like posh stuff, but it tastes really quite nice. So this is with beans. I've had it before and it's quite spicy actually, and I can always add a little bit of spice to it as well. But what I'm going to do is put it in, I'm going to fry it, I think, and then I'm going to fry the burger as well. So what I need, oh no, no I won't, I will boil the thing, rice, and I will fry. Fry the burger. I'll fry the burger in that thing rather than get that big pan out. And then I will put the rice in here. Oops. It's meant to be, says it's meant to be microwaved for 1 minute. But I don't have a microwave. What I do is just put a little bit of water in, and then bring it to the boil. I don't know what I should do. Put it in cold water or bring it to the boil. No, I'll put it in cold water and I'll bring it to the boil. I'll put it in the cold water. Take that away. Open that up. Oops. It's gone everywhere. See, this is what you do when it's so packed full of stuff. I'm quite hungry today, actually. What's this got in it? Siam rice, black lentil, bulgur wheat, goodness, red kidney bean, black-eyed bean, almond flake, pomegranate, molasses, I thought molasses was spots, tomato, olive oil, raisin, ground ginger, black pepper, cinnamon powder, clove, ground nutmeg, turmeric, onion and salt. I could actually put some more onion on it. I think I've got an onion left. I'm going to go to the shops again. How I'm going to manage that, I don't know. Down there. When you're in a camper van, always put the lid back on. You know why? Because it's such a small space that when you're moving around, there's a very big danger of knocking it over, spilling it all. Let's put that in there. Right, I don't know if this burger's going to go in there. I think it will. I'll make it. It's probably got loads of fat in it anyway, but it's frozen. Oh, almost. Will it go in? A bit too big for the pan. But we'll see. Put it on low and slow. Put these in the bin. I'm quite tired today actually. I've been doing lots of website work. I'll take this one out. And I've had a bit of a leaning over the PC, so I'm quite tired today. I think I might go to bed early. Rice, I get all this in there. I cleaned it all earlier. Right. Let's get that on. Maybe it's a bit foolish of me, but I don't know. And if I move this up a little bit, you might be able to see all my... It's that one, isn't it? There you go. All my seeds, and put a little bit of flaxseed in. And go in there. Just that much. Sesame seeds. The only reason I add the seeds is because they're good for your digestive system, and when you know, they oil it up and they make everything move around a lot smoother. So it's good for your bowel. I've been reading lately that food is not natural for us. I do feel sometimes when I'm whiling away the hours, I forget about food. I don't think about it. And then when it comes to about, I don't know, when I finish my project or the task that I'm doing, my stomach tries to remind me that I need to do something for it. Now, how do I move this? That is the thing. I don't want to use my little egg thing. Might do a bit more. Oh, that's alright. That was easy enough, wasn't it? I'll put it that way. And you will notice I put this little metal thing here to stop it splattering the television screen. I don't use it. I'm not gonna, I don't know whether to have any greens or not. Might just have some beetroot with it. I know it sounds an odd combination, but I love beetroot and I'm yearning for it for some strange reason. I've got to go to the shops tomorrow. It doesn't matter what I think or how I feel about it, I have to go. I want to. If you put too much water in these things, it tends to go a bit stodgy. But it hasn't been in for a few minutes. Don't do that. I've got to wait for that burger as well. I'll have to. Probably done this wrong today. Right, what can I have in here that will make it tasty? Apple cider vinegar. Do you think that would be nice? Or shall I have some honey? Yep, got some beef burger in there now. Well, it's not beef, it's lamb, isn't it? Minted lamb burger. I want something else to make it taste. Coriander. Turn it down. I'm just tired today and I think it's going wrong. How can you get tired when you sat in your van all day? Because I'm working. I'm working hard at promoting. I quite like doing the website. It's easy. I've chosen to do it via the Wix site, but I could easily do it via the WordPress site. It is easy to do on that, but I just have to keep on updating the blog all the time and it gets a bit too much. I'll start burning this. Put this in on the plate. Quite a bit stodgy, I think. This is my failure today. Never mind. It's just, it all goes down the same way, doesn't it? What I'm doing is cutting up the cucumber while that's doing. And I can cut up this beetroot because if I don't, it slides all over the plate and then onto the floor, and beetroot stains very badly. It tastes beautiful. I don't really like the beetroot that you get in the jars, but I do like the beetroot that you just buy raw. Nice. Bit stodgy. It tasteless. What can I add to it? No, it's all gone wrong today. And I haven't even added any fat to that, look. It's just in its own fat. I'm putting the fat in the roast. Doesn't matter. It needs something more. I'm not quite sure what though. What shall I add to it? Pepper? Let's add some pepper to it. I'm not being very inventive today. Don't add any salt. I had cramp in my feet last night, and that's because I went for a nice long walk, and it's a long time in, first time in a long time I've been, and I think I used up all my energy. So this is all done. Beetroot. Yes, it doesn't look very pretty, does it? But I'm not going to have all of this because I don't feel very hungry. I'm just not in a very, I don't know what's wrong, just tired. I'm not going to eat all that. Nope. It can stay in there. And then this, oops, can go on there. And what I do, there you go. Can I eat that, do you think? Yes, I can. That is nice. I'm just letting you see, I didn't pick out and eat all of it. That lamb burger was delicious, really nice, and that was quite tasty actually. This, I just couldn't eat it all. I just couldn't. I don't know why. I just don't feel like eating anything right now. I just want to just go to sleep, I think. But that lamb burger was lovely. Minty taste to it, and I had like a spicy taste to it. But I know it's a terrible waste. And I've got all that in there as well. But it was delicious.